Hi, I'm taking a quick look at my lathe today for those of you who are interested. It's a general lathe, has a 36-inch bed with an 18-inch swing over the bed. As you can see, it's also set up for outboard turning for larger projects. Has 4 pulley speeds, and a variable speed control which goes from 0 up. Let's take a look at the pulleys, and I have it set on the largest pulley on the top, which is the slowest speed, which gives it more torque for drum shell turning. On the bottom we have a 1 horsepower motor, and it is set on the smallest pulley. As you can see, it was made in Canada, and the variable speed also has reverse. Turn the speed down and start the lathe up, make sure everything's good. Everything's looking good, so now I'm going to turn the speed up on the lathe. Nice and smooth. Looks good. Now I'm going to take a look at the drum shell and around at the faceplate. And it's working nicely. I'm going to take a look at the speed control. Now I have it set slightly higher than I would have it set for turning purposes. Now I'm going to turn the speed back down and all the way down to 0. I have the lathe bolted to the floor in my shop, which really helps cut down on vibration. It has a heavy-duty tailstock and a heavy-duty tool rest, and it's just an all-round great lathe to work on. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.